If editing takes you forever, it's not because you're bad at editing, and it's not because you need more motivation or a better software. Most of the time, editing takes forever because you don't have constraints, which means the job expands until it consumes your week. In this video, I'm going to show you my editing system, because the goal isn't to create a cinematic masterpiece every time. The goal is to ship consistently, improve fast, and still deliver quality where it matters, which is clarity and retention. One problem most creators have: they open the timeline and they try to make it amazing immediately. So they start adding music, effects, B-roll and little details before the core video is even working. That feels productive because you're doing a lot of stuff, but it usually creates a bloated edit where you spend hours on decoration while the structure is still weak. The system I'm about to show you fixes that by forcing you through the right order, because order is what creates speed. You build clarity first, then you build momentum, and only then you add minimal visual that support the message. The first step is a one-pass clean cut, and I treat it like a cleanup, not a creative session. I go through the entire timeline and I remove pauses, repeats, filler phrases, and dead sentences, and I do it without touching music, effects, or B-roll. I'm not trying to make it exciting yet. I'm trying to make it understandable, because if it's not clear, no amount of polish will save it. When you finish this pass, you should feel like the video is finally saying what it's supposed to say, just without the, let's say, extra weight. Once clarity is locked, the second step is retention tightening, which is where you turn understandable into watchable. And I'm asking a different question here, because now it's not just about what the video says, it's about whether it moves. So I look for sentences that don't add new value. I look for sections that repeat the same point, and I cut anything that doesn't earn its place. A simple test that works surprisingly well is this: if you can't explain why a section exists in one sentence, that section is out. Your viewer is not giving you bonus time for effort, they're giving you time for value. After that, I keep the visuals minimal, because most creators think effects create retention. But the truth is that clarity creates retention, and visuals should support clarity, not distract from it. Now I'm using only 3 visual types: chapter text to keep the viewer oriented, short side notes to emphasize a key point, and full screen explanation only when something would otherwise be confusing. The reason this works is that it's repeatable, it's fast, and it scales, because you're not reinventing your style every time you sit down to edit. Quick one, because this is where people usually ask, okay, but how do I know where my real bottleneck is? If you want to find out whether your problem is editing, planning, filming, or just your energy management, I have a free time and energy tracker linked below. You can make a copy, use it for 7 days, and it will expose where you're losing time, so you stop guessing and start fixing the right thing first. Now, the step that makes the whole system work is defining done. Most creators don't fail because they can't edit, they fail because they never finish. So you need a clear definition of done that you can hit every time. For me, done means clean audio, clean cuts, clear chapter text, one clear CTA, and then I export. That's it. I'm not trying to win an award for the edit. I'm trying to publish a strong video, learn from the feedback, and get better with repetition. And finally, I use a hard timer rule, because without a time, you'll always find one more thing to tweak. When it hits 0, I export, because every extra hour I spend polishing this video is an hour I stole from my next upload. Perfection feels responsible, but it's usually just fear disguised as quality, and consistency is what actually compounds. So if you want to edit faster without your quality falling apart, run this system in order. One pass clean cut for clarity, retention tightening for momentum, minimal visuals for support, a strict definition of done, and a hard timer to force you to finish. And if you want the tracker I mentioned to find your bottleneck and fix it with data, it's linked below. Use it for a week and you know exactly what to change to get your output back under control. And we see us in the next video.